Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the settings, and now we have to simply tap on My Phone at the top. Now let's tap on this toggle, which is connected with the operating system, and your device will check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you can tap on check for updates again to be sure. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.